In this problem, I need to sketch negative 235 degrees in standard position. I need to find the least positive angle that's coterminal with it, the greatest negative angle that is coterminal with it, and all angles that are coterminal with it. So to start with, I need to sketch this angle in standard position. That means the vertex is at the origin and the initial side is along the positive x-axis. As the given angle is a negative angle, that means I'm going to rotate in a clockwise direction. So it will help if I add my negative rotation angles to all the axes. So I start at 0 degrees. If I rotate in a negative direction down to the negative y-axis, I will have gone negative 90 degrees. If I continue rotating to the negative x-axis, I will have gone to negative 180 degrees. If I rotate around to the positive y-axis, I will have gone negative 270 degrees. And finally, if I come back to the positive x-axis, I will have rotated negative 360 degrees. So my angle is negative 235 degrees, which lies between negative 180 and negative 270. So my angle has to lie somewhere in quadrant 2. So I'm going to draw my terminal side in quadrant 2, put an arrow on the end, and then indicate that the angle is rotated in a negative direction. So that is my angle, negative 235 degrees. Now the rest of the problem deals with coterminal angles. So let's quickly review them. Two angles in standard position are called coterminal if they have the same terminal side. And coterminal angles always differ from each other by a multiple of 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. And every angle has an infinite number of coterminal angles. So looking at our problem, to find the least positive angle that's coterminal with negative 235 degrees, I'm going to have to add 360 degrees so I land up with a positive angle. So negative 235 degrees plus 360 degrees is 125 degrees. If I add 360 to this, I'll get another positive coterminal angle, but it'll be bigger than 125 degrees. So 125 degrees is the least positive angle that's coterminal with my given angle. Now I need to find the greatest negative angle that's coterminal with my angle. So I start with my angle and I just subtract 360 degrees. And if I do that, I get negative 595 degrees. If I subtract another 360 degrees, I'll get another negative coterminal angle, but this is the greatest negative one I can obtain. And finally, I need to find all angles that are coterminal with my given angle. And the way we do that is you start with your given angle of negative 235 degrees, and you want to indicate you could add or subtract any multiple of 360 degrees. And the way we do that is we add 360 degrees times a variable. I'm going to pick n. You can pick any variable you want, as long as you state where the variable, in this case n, represents any integer.